Looking for a Charger? Well, here's your virtual video walk around. This is the 2018, the Charger itself. Stock number is 7085. Now this virtual video walk around, as you can tell, is going to show you this vehicle up close and personal as opposed to looking at static photos. Take notice of the exterior condition on the passenger side, absolutely flawless. Love those rims and tires, absolutely sets this vehicle off. Making our way around to the rear. Now we're going to go show you the interior of this vehicle. Traveling with friends or family, ample legroom in the rear, of course. Very comfortable ride. This vehicle comes equipped with power windows, locks, cruise, tilt, moonroof, automatic transmission, and low miles. Warranty protection for life, oil changes for life. You're going to find it at one place and one place only. It's right here at Sunset Ford. For more information, we look forward to answering your questions. Scott Tanner saying make it a great day. Take care.